Understanding the God's favor, a dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, the God's favor. This phrase has deep roots in literature and culture, and understanding it can really enrich your English learning journey. So, let's get started. The God's favor is a phrase that originates from ancient mythology and literature. It refers to the approval, support, or blessings bestowed by gods upon humans. In many stories, having the God's favor means receiving divine assistance or luck. This concept is not just limited to English but is found in various cultures worldwide, each with its own nuances. In contemporary English, the phrase is often used metaphorically. When someone says they have the God's favor, it can mean they are experiencing a stroke of luck or feeling particularly fortunate. It's not necessarily religious. Rather, it's a way of expressing that things are going exceptionally well, almost as if influenced by a higher power. The God's favor appears in many works of literature and pop culture. For instance, in Greek mythology, heroes often seek the God's favor for their quests. In modern novels and movies, characters might reference the phrase to highlight a turn of good fortune or a moment of success that seems beyond mere chance. Using the God's favor in conversation or writing adds a dramatic flair. It's perfect for situations where you want to emphasize an extraordinary piece of good luck. For example, I passed the test without studying. It must be the God's favor. We hope this video helps you understand and use the God's favor in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the rich cultural and historical contexts that phrases carry. Until our next video, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.